Hi everyone, it's Deb. I'm back. My mail came today. Oh my gosh, I have so much to go over with you, but I'm only going to show one thing for now because I have too much to do today. And I guess I couldn't wait because I got the July paper pumpkin and it's called Picnic Paradise. See? Oh, I haven't opened. I just cut the thing here, but I haven't opened it. So are you ready? This is exactly how it came in my mail. My mail person had to bring it in, not inside the house, but I have a little landing area, and he put it in there along with a bunch of other packages. I'm like, oh gosh. So yeah, let's open it together and see, shall we? Woohoo! It says, welcome. Thanks for choosing Paper Pumpkin because this is my first paid one. Pumpkinology. The art and skill of kickstarting creativity with Paper Pumpkin. Dig in. Everything you need is inside this box, including a clear block, which you should keep for use with future kits. Cool. All right. Use our instructions or watch our monthly how-to video on YouTube. So this is good for beginners if you're not used to paper crafting or card making or whatever. Get additional project ideas or share your own on Facebook and Pinterest. That's it. You're a pumpkinologist. See you next month. I'm a pumpkinologist. So here's the little ink stamping spot. Ooh, it's called Soft Suede. See, I really wasn't expecting that for a picnic. But I like that. I like the color. It's this color. So yeah, kind of like that. And then the stamps are to, from, for you, thank you, thinking of you, enjoy, and then some like backgrounds. So really cool. I like the dotted line. And your first kit, I guess you get a Stampin' Block, a clear Stampin' Block. Now I have their other ones, so this will be an extra. And it's nice. It's a little thinner than the regular ones, but it's okay to use if you don't have them, you know. Why not? So, right now, up until August 10th, if you sign up to get the August kit, you will get a free block in it, and you'll get, there's a code on the Paper Pumpkin website that if you put it in, you'll get 50% off your first kit. So, yeah, let's see what we got. Picnic Paradise. Ooh. And see, this is how it comes wrapped up with this pretty paper, which I will reuse. So I'm going to get rid of the box for a minute. So this is how it is. Picnic Paradise instructions. We've got fruit. We've got some gingham looking stuff. It looks like there's material. Definitely some twine. Okay. Alright, we have to open it. So I'm going to try and carefully open it. Carefully. Alright. Looks like a card making kit. Sort of similar in what you get to the one I got for February. Okay, we have some Stampin' Dimensionals. You know, these things that I showed you just about every video. We have some white twine as opposed to like the jute color or natural color. Ooh, we have some little brads or paper fastener things, whatever they're called. That's neat. Short brim sticker. Okay. Oh, look at these adorable envelopes. They already have, like the gingham, there's blue, red, and green, which of course match my blueberry bushel. Probably my lemon lime, and the red one's the, I guess, either the berry or the lipstick. I don't know. But yeah, the colors do definitely coordinate. Cool. Love it. And then we have some, like, I guess they're the same color as this, the soft suede coordinated paper. These are scored cards. I didn't even look at the paper enough to know, to see. what we're supposed to have in here. Okay, your kit includes the photopolymer stamp set, right? Soft suede classic Stampin' Spot. 12 card bases, that would be these. 12 sheets printed cotton paper. I believe that is, oh wow, these are paper, but they're cotton and they sort of feel like fabric. That is so cool. Yeah, so there's 3 each. No, there's 6 red ones. I'm not sure now. Maybe there's 4 of each color. Yeah. Cool. And that matches the envelope insides. So we got those. 2 sheets printed vellum. Wow. I like that they give you vellum. Oh, look at the vellum. It's printed in that gingham. Oops, I just ripped that off of there. That gingham print also. See? Cool. And then 12 printed envelopes, which I already showed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of each color. Yeah, 4 of each color. Please forgive my nails. I know they're a mess. 6 die cut sheets. That would be these. So we have strawberries, apples, leaves, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah, the leaves to go on top of the fruit, maybe. Blueberries. 6 die cut sheets. So I'm guessing these are the leaves. Okay, we have this die cut sheet, basket handles, long brim sticker, and the short brim sticker. Those are the 6 die cut. The leaves, I think, are stickers. Oh, 4 basket bases. Oh, I'm wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, 4 basket bases. So these are little baskets. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to do these. 1 basket handle. I don't know where that is. Oh, basket handles. Okay. There was this. This is the basket handles. 1 sheet laser cut strawberries. Okay, well I thought we already got that in the die cuts. Maybe that wasn't the die cuts. The die cuts must be these. It says 6 die cut sheets. Okay, well, okay, the die was wrong. The die cut sheets are mason jars, labels, and banners. That's 3. 2 of those. These are stickers. And I guess the short brim sticker, no, because they're separate. I don't know. I'm confused. I'll figure it out. Hang on. Okay guys, hi, it's Deb. Okay, I figured it out. The strawberries are separate. They're called 1 sheet laser cut strawberries. These are called 1 sheet laser cut sticker sheet. The basket brim, short, long, and the handles are each listed separately, as are the basket bases. So I think I went over all of that, and the vellum is separate. So the 6 die cut sheets, which is what I couldn't figure out, is 2 of these banners and labels. I don't know if you'll be able to see how they're printed on there. There, maybe a little bit. There's different shapes. There's 2 of those, and then there's I believe 2 of the mason jar ones. So you get blue, green, and red, and so there's 2 of each on each sheet, so there's 4 of each color. You get 1 sheet of blueberries, 1 sheet of apples, so that makes 6 die cut sheets. And then also one thing I didn't show you was the 125 adhesive dots. So that is the kit, and then there's instructions. See, these are the baskets. Aren't they adorable? Those are so cute. And then these are little note cards. So cute. Love them. I think I'm definitely going to have to make these. Oh, yeah, they're really cute. And I'm going to do it according to how they say, because I'm new at this and I'm learning. So I'm going to at least do, you know, the baskets the way they say, probably not too I mean, the tags might be different. I don't know. We'll see. And the cards maybe I'll do different. Yeah, the little green stickers are for the leaves, for the blueberries and the strawberries and the apples. Cool. I'm excited. I like this one. Very good for summertime for sure. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I will do a separate video once I get things made to show you what I have made with it. And I'm going to try and do that on, if not Sunday, Monday. Alright, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.